If you have seen my tutorials before, you see that I did the holographic. This is not the holographic, by the way, but is a tattoo tumbler in which I have done on a glitter base. I believe this is called Olaf. And we're going to replicate this design on a tumbler, stainless steel. Not painted, no glitter, raw, just as it is. Yep, we're doing it. So I've already cut this down to size the way that I wanted it. So we're just going to jump right in. Well, might help if I have my paper towels ready. Let me get all that. Gotta be ready. All right, so here we go. So now I'm going to peel this. Just flip that right on over like that. I'm actually going to start. You might not be able to see. I'm trying, guys. I'm sorry. All right, so I'm going to go down to the bottom because that's where I cut it to make it even at the bottom. So I'm going to guide it with one finger and then push up. Okay. This is where things get a little wet. And you're just going to soak it. I've gotten a lot better about being not quite so sloppy. But you know what? Just get it on the cup. And once it's on the cup, guys, do not move the tattoo. It's not like a water slide. You can't just move it around. I am so excited to see this on a freaking non-painted, non-glittered cup. All right, let's see. Are we ready? Oh man, wow. Whoop. Sneak peek. Oh my God, guys. Check it out. Isn't that freaking gorgeous? All right, so I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna try to keep my excitement down to a minimum, and I'll come back and I'll do the other side. Okay guys, we're back. All right, so now this is ready to go. I can move this beauty aside because we're focusing on this stainless steel beauty. I'm gonna flip this over, get more paper towels, dry this up just a hair on this back side. All right, so now we're gonna take our other piece. I'm gonna flip it this way so I can do this and not, I guess, I'll do it this way. All right, so now we're just gonna take this off, just like every time before. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a bend, just have a little bit more control with my left hand. And I'm going to guide it with my right finger. We're probably going to overlap, and that's okay. It should blend. It should blend well. I think I might have to take this down off the bottom just a hair. Okay. Yes, I did. Good, that was an excellent call because otherwise that would have been bad. All right, because the last thing you want are lines. You don't want harsh lines. So I'm really glad that I moved that down just a little bit. Because the top is not going to be a harsh chopped off line. Hopefully that looks amazing. So we're just going to rub this on nice and well, just like every time before. I'm going to give it a flip ever so gently. And keep rubbing. All right, guys, here we go. I'm so excited. Oh, man. All right. Set that off to the side. Now this little bit of hangover, I can cut that off. I'm really not worried about that just in this second. I just want to get this peeled off and see where we're at. Wow. In fact, you know what? I'm just going to roll that right on over. Oh my God. Wow. You can't even see the overlap. Get out. Holy shoes. Wow. I mean, look. I mean, you have to look like, okay, so look really close. Okay, so here's the center. And just look, you have to look really close. I mean, just look at it. Okay, guys, we are back and we are ready to epoxy. So I've already got my epoxy mixed, and I wanted to show you the Diamond Dust epoxy additive, and that it only takes a little bit. So I waited to get back on camera to show you exactly how much of this we're going to use. And when I say a pinch, I literally mean a pinch. Let's see if I can do this where you can see. Okay. Literally, that's all. That's all I'm going to use. We're going to put it in there. Put this cap back on so I don't spill it. And then we're just going to mix it up. Let me get one more cup. It looks like I cracked mine a little bit. Okay. Okay, I do hope you guys can see that in the camera. All right. So we're mixed up. We're ready to go. Let's go ahead and get this poured on this cup, because I am anxious to see how this is going to look. I'm going to take my heat gun. And just real quickly let's give that just a few minutes, and I may or may not hit it again with heat, but I really hope you guys can see that glitter shining. I mean, it's ever so gentle but powerful. Diamond Dust epoxy additive, and you saw how much I put in there. I mean, it was literally just a smidge, guys, and this thing is blinging. All right, you guys, thank you. Please like, comment. Until next time.